In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prepare healthy meals for yourself or your family can feel like an uphill battle. That's where the concept of freezer meals for a month comes into play. In this video, we'll explore how you can create budget-friendly meal solutions that not only save you time, but also keep you and your family well-fed without breaking the bank. Meal prepping is a game-changer, especially for families of 6 or more. By dedicating just a few hours to prepare and freeze meals, you can streamline your weeknight dinners and eliminate the stress of last-minute cooking. Imagine having a freezer stocked with delicious homemade meals ready to go at a moment's notice. This not only saves you time during busy weekdays but also helps you avoid the temptation of takeout, which can quickly add up. We'll share practical tips and recipes that make it easy to feed your family on a dime, ensuring that you can enjoy nutritious meals without the hassle. So if you're ready to transform your meal planning routine and discover the benefits of freezer meals, stick around. Benefits of freezer meals. Preparing freezer meals in advance offers a multitude of advantages that can significantly enhance your daily routine. One of the most notable benefits is the reduction in daily cooking time and stress. With a well-stocked freezer, you can simply pull out a meal, heat it up, and enjoy a delicious dinner in a fraction of the time it would take to cook from scratch. This convenience is especially valuable for busy families juggling work, school, and extracurricular activities. Additionally, freezer meals are a cost-effective solution for meal planning. By buying ingredients in bulk, you can take advantage of sales and discounts, ultimately saving money on your grocery bills. This approach not only helps your wallet but also allows you to create a variety of meals without the need for frequent shopping trips. Moreover, preparing meals in advance can help minimize food waste. When you plan and freeze meals, you're more likely to use up ingredients before they spoil, promoting healthier eating habits. You can incorporate fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals, ensuring that your family enjoys nutritious options. Overall, freezer meals are a practical and efficient way to streamline your cooking while supporting a healthier lifestyle. Meal planning strategies. Planning meals for an entire month can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it can become a manageable and enjoyable task. One effective approach is to create a meal calendar. This visual tool helps you organize your meals for the month, allowing you to see what's on the menu each week. By mapping out your meals, you can ensure a balanced diet and avoid the last-minute scramble for dinner ideas. Involving your family in the meal selection process is another great strategy. By asking for input from everyone, you can cater to different tastes and preferences, making mealtime more enjoyable for all. This collaborative approach not only fosters excitement about the meals, but also encourages kids to try new foods when they feel included in the decision-making. Lastly, it's essential to balance nutrition and variety in your meal choices. Aim to include a mix of proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables throughout the month. This not only keeps meals interesting, but also ensures that your family is getting the nutrients they need. By implementing these strategies, you can create a well-rounded meal plan that satisfies everyone while simplifying your cooking routine. Shopping tips for budget-friendly meals. Grocery shopping can quickly become a budget buster if you're not careful. To save money while still providing nutritious meals for your family, start by making a shopping list based on your planned meals. This simple step helps you stay focused and avoid impulse buys that can derail your budget. When you know exactly what you need, you're less likely to be swayed by tempting snacks or unnecessary items. Another effective way to maximize savings is to shop sales and use coupons. Many grocery stores offer weekly promotions, and taking advantage of these deals can significantly reduce your overall spending. Additionally, consider using digital coupons or apps that provide cashback offers on your purchases. This can add up to substantial savings over time. Lastly, don't overlook the benefits of buying seasonal produce and bulk items. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often cheaper and fresher, making them a great choice for your meals. Similarly, purchasing bulk items can lead to lower prices per unit, especially for staples like grains, beans, and frozen foods. By implementing these practical shopping tips, you can enjoy budget-friendly meals without sacrificing quality or nutrition. Freezer meal recipes. If you're looking for easy, affordable, and nutritious freezer meal recipes that your whole family will love, you're in the right place. Here, we'll share a variety of delicious dishes that you can prepare in advance, freeze, and pull out when you need them most. These meals are designed to save you time, effort, and money, while ensuring that your family enjoys healthy, home-cooked food throughout the month. Let's dive into some of our favorite freezer-friendly meals. Chicken enchiladas. Chicken enchiladas are a family favorite, and they're perfect for freezing. Start by cooking shredded chicken with taco seasoning, then roll it in tortillas along with cheese and your favorite toppings such as black beans, corn, or chopped onions. Place the enchiladas in a freezer-safe dish, pour enchilada sauce over them, and sprinkle more cheese on top. Cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap and foil before freezing. When you're ready to eat, simply bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until hot and bubbly. Pro tip: for an extra kick, you can add sliced jalapenos or use a spicy enchilada sauce. Serve with a side of Mexican rice or a fresh salad to complete the meal. Beef stew. Nothing says comfort food like a hearty beef stew, and it's incredibly freezer-friendly. To prepare, brown chunks of beef in a large pot with onions and garlic. Add in your favorite vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and celery, along with beef broth and seasonings like thyme, bay leaves, and rosemary. Let the stew simmer until the meat is tender, then cool it down and portion it into freezer bags or airtight containers. When you're ready to enjoy it, thaw the stew overnight in the fridge and reheat it on the stovetop. This dish is perfect for cold evenings, and it pairs wonderfully with crusty bread or a side of mashed potatoes. For a thicker stew, add a slurry of flour or cornstarch before serving. Pro tip: freeze the stew in individual portions so you can easily grab and reheat just what you need, whether it's a solo lunch or a family dinner. Vegetable stir-fry. For a lighter and healthier option, try preparing a vegetable stir-fry. You can use a mix of colorful veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, and onions. Sauté them in a little olive oil with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce for flavor. Once cooked, cool the vegetables and divide them into portions for freezing. You can also freeze cooked rice or quinoa alongside the stir-fry to create a complete meal. When you're ready to eat, simply reheat the veggies in a pan and serve over the pre-cooked grains. For added protein, you can throw in tofu, shrimp, or chicken. Pro tip: make different variations of stir-fry by switching up the sauces. Try teriyaki, peanut sauce, or hoisin for variety throughout the month. Lasagna is another freezer meal favorite that can be customized to suit your family's tastes. To make it, layer lasagna noodles with your choice of fillings: ground beef or sausage, ricotta cheese, marinara sauce, and plenty of mozzarella. You can also include spinach or other vegetables for a nutritious boost. Once assembled in a freezer-safe dish, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and foil before freezing. When you're ready to serve it, thaw the lasagna overnight and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 50 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. This meal is a guaranteed crowd pleaser and pairs well with a simple green salad or garlic bread. Pro tip: to save even more time, you can use no-boil lasagna noodles, which cook perfectly during the baking process. Chili is the perfect one-pot meal that freezes beautifully and is incredibly versatile. You can make it with ground beef, turkey, or even a vegetarian version with beans and vegetables. Start by browning your meat, if using, then add onions, garlic, beans, tomatoes, and chili seasoning. Let the chili simmer to develop rich flavors, then cool it down and freeze in meal-sized portions. To reheat, thaw overnight and warm it on the stove. Serve with your favorite toppings such as shredded cheese, sour cream, or chopped green onions. Pair with cornbread or tortilla chips for a complete meal. Pro tip: make a big batch of chili and use it as a topping for baked potatoes or over rice for a different twist. Freezing and storing tips. When it comes to freezing and storing meals, following best practices is essential to maintain quality and prevent waste. One of the most important aspects is proper packaging. Use airtight containers or heavy-duty freezer bags to prevent freezer burn, which can ruin the texture and flavor of your meals. Make sure to remove as much air as possible from bags before sealing to create a tight seal. Labeling your meals is another crucial step. Write the date and contents on each container or bag. This not only helps you keep track of what you have, but also makes it easier to identify meals when you're ready to eat. Knowing what's in your freezer can save you time and prevent the frustration of digging through multiple containers. As for storage duration, most cooked meals can be stored in the freezer for about 3 to 6 months. Soups and stews tend to last longer, while casseroles and pasta dishes are best enjoyed within 3 months. By following these freezing and storing tips, you can ensure that your meals remain delicious and ready to enjoy whenever you need them, making mealtime a breeze. Reheating and serving suggestions. Reheating freezer meals effectively is key to enjoying their full flavor and texture. There are several methods you can use depending on your time and preference. The microwave is the quickest option. Simply transfer your meal to a microwave-safe dish, cover it, and heat in short intervals, stirring occasionally until heated through. For a more evenly heated meal, the oven is a great choice. Preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, cover your dish with foil to retain moisture, and bake for about 30 minutes or until hot. The stovetop is another excellent method, especially for soups and stews. Just pour your meal into a pot, heat over medium-low, and stir until warm. To elevate your family dinners, consider pairing your main freezer meals with complementary side dishes. For example, serve chicken enchiladas with a fresh salad or beef stew with crusty bread. Vegetable stir-fry can be accompanied by rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Encouraging creativity in serving meals can also keep family dinners exciting. Try garnishing dishes with fresh herbs, adding a squeeze of lemon, or serving with a variety of sauces. These small touches can transform a simple meal into a delightful dining experience that everyone will look forward to. In summary, freezer meals offer a fantastic solution for busy people and families looking to save time and money while enjoying nutritious meals. By planning your meals in advance, you can reduce daily cooking stress, minimize food waste, and take advantage of bulk buying. We've shared some delicious and easy recipes such as chicken enchiladas, beef stew, and vegetable stir-fry that can be customized to suit your family's tastes. We encourage you to try these recipes and see how they fit into your meal planning routine. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments, whether it's a twist you added to a recipe or a new favorite meal you discovered. Your insights can inspire others in our community. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Pocket and Pulse for more frugal tips and meal planning strategies. A thumbs up and sharing this video with friends and family can help us reach more people looking to simplify their cooking and save money. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you feel inspired to embrace the convenience and benefits of freezer meals in your home.